Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're looking at this Gerber. This is Zilch clip folding knife. It's made out of 7CR steel. It's got a plain blade, folding, liner lock, texture grip, which looks pretty good, and a pocket clip. It's slim in pocket style and hand knife. Made from Gerber guarantee. So let's open this guy up here right now and let's see what's in there. Obviously it tells you everything you need to know here. The blade, the grip, the lanyard hole, the pocket clip, everything you need to know is right here. It's made in China. Like I said, what is it made in? So let's open her up. And so here's the blade. You see here, it's really nice. It does feel a little cheap, but you pay what you get for. I do like the design, how it looks. How it looks like teeth in there. And here's the Gerber design right there. So I want to check a quick sharpness test. So here's our pen. It's pretty sharp. It is pretty sharp. I do like the design that it has in there. So if you like guys this type of knife, just check them out at Walmart. I said it was like under $20. It's a pretty nice. It has a pretty nice grip. It's nice and slim. If you need it for opening boxes, cutting anything, self-defense, I would guarantee this one. So thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.